docs on my phone and create documents on my phone so that I could access them easily, and I could put helpful hints and tips in there, which makes it easy for me if I'm in clinic or working with my preceptor or trying to look up information or whatever I may need. So on my phone I have created documents, and I just tap and open each one and put information, and then I also add information like when I'm in clinic and I learn something new or feel like there's something that is applicable. So I created a document for gonorrhea, anemia, syphilis, chlamydia, contraception, the ASCCP guidelines, uncomplicated UTI, WHMP, just basic info that I would need, thyroid disease, and breast cancer guidelines. So I find all this information super helpful, and I access it quite often on my phone regularly and add information to it. So I really like the ease and convenience of that. I have my phone with me all the time, and then I'm not trying to look up something in the book all the time because I have in there. It is a little bit more time consuming to type it all into my phone, but I've liked that. I also saved some photos in my notes, and those are the ASCVD risk guidelines. There was a lot of information there that I didn't want to type into my phone, so I took some screenshots of those and kept that in my phone so I could have that information a little bit more handy, because I really wanted to keep that. I liked that. My preceptors and I have had many discussions about different ways to get information and when you're questioning something and how to look up things. And one thing is podcasts that provide up-to-date information on recent guidelines and things that are questionable. That's been really helpful. Another one is I've gotten some resources from my preceptors, like a diabetes website that my one nurse practitioner goes to regularly. She uses that for information for gestational diabetes. My other preceptor, she also liked to go to another website. I can't remember the name of it, but it helps in determining wound care for certain patients. So there's some things like that I also just type into my phone and my notes, information that I find helpful. So that's what has really worked best for me. And in talking with my preceptors, they often actually, are using the internet too for different things, looking items up or accessing websites and things like that are familiar to them. So using my phone is just really easy and convenient rather than writing it all down and keeping an actual book. So I found that super helpful, and I'm going to continue to add to it, and I'll just keep making more notes in there for each of the things that I learn about, so I can keep adding, so that when I am a nurse practitioner, I can refer to these things, and if I need to, I can quickly look at my phone, I can quickly add things on my phone. I put links in there for different websites or whatever I need also. So that's what I've been doing this semester, and it's worked out really great for me.